everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Cam with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you how to do a really cool card using one of the new gold cards and envelopes. This is in the August to December catalog, and I just love these cards, and then they have gold envelopes. I mean, really gold envelopes. See? So let's bring you up and I'll show you what we need. What we're going to be using is we're going to be using the Forever Fern stamp set for inks, Cajun Craze, Rich Raspberry, Pumpkin Pie, and Memento Black. And then we're going to be using just one of the gold cards and envelopes, okay? First thing I am going to do is I am going to stamp with Memento Black the saying right in the middle of the card. Love and laughter forever after. And let's bring this down just a little bit so you can see some of this. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to use the Rich Raspberry for the round-leafed ones. This is more of an autumn one with the very vanilla. This is a very vanilla card, and I think it really goes well with the more of the regal tones and stuff for a fall card. Okay, then I'm going to be using the Cajun Craze for the little ones on either side of the corners. And you've noticed this, you can order this new grid paper. It's under the logos section. They have the grid paper and some reusable bags now from Stampin' Up. I love this grid paper. It's got the 2000 and to 2022 in colors. And then I am going to use the Pumpkin Pie for the smaller leaf stem. And there we go. A quick, fast, simple stamping card. Just have to roll it. We've got the envelope. Oh, isn't that envelope? It just shines and shimmers. I don't know if you can see that, but it shines and shimmers. Just beautiful. I don't know if you could stamp on it with just regular ink, because it is more of a shiny, glossy cardstock, and you may have to have something like StazOn to do it. But anyhow, please follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is below, and I'd really appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.